Hello traders, today is the 11th of December 2010, and a happy trading to you all. This video is about the Elliot wave patterns. Okay, we have here the daily chart, the historical daily chart of the Euro USD, right here with the Elliot wave pattern. And according to Elliot wave theory, the market will move in 5 waves plus the ABC correction. Right here we have the full cycle of the Elliott wave on this daily chart of the Euro USD. As you can see, the Euro went down from this session here, went down big time, big time, big time, big time, okay, up to here. Okay, so there was this you see in the downtrend like I showed you before, understanding the price itself. Okay, this is it. Okay, there was a low here, okay, another low here, another low here, and then suddenly we have a higher low. This is the psychology of the inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so the price was displaying a downtrend, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, right here there was this high, a lower high, okay, a lower high here, a lower low here, okay, a lower high again here, a lower low here, and then a lower low again here. And right here the music has changed. Okay, and then we have this formation, an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so right here the music has changed. The downtrend music is finished. So if you come here to dance the music of a downtrend, okay, you are just out of tune completely. Okay, so the music has changed because the downtrend is kaput after the price display this higher low here. Okay, that's why you look at the price and you look at it clearly and you look inside the price itself straight away. Okay, and you know exactly what's going on. And then we have the first Elliott wave. Okay, so the Elliott wave, okay, is starting here. This zone of the inverted head and shoulder, this zone. Okay, I will show you clearly so you can master once and for all this inverted head and shoulder zone here is a consolidation zone. Okay, anytime you see inverted head and shoulder on the daily chart, it's a consolidation. Anytime you see a double top on the weekly chart, is a consolidation zone. You may disagree with me completely because this is a technical analysis. That's why I'm telling you. You may think something completely different, and I have a right to do so because technical analysis is an art. Okay, we are artists. Okay, we are artists. Okay, and right here the first wave has started right now. I will show you. I'm trying to find my line here. Okay, so the first wave has started after the price display this higher low here. So this was the first Elliott wave here. Okay, I'll color that line, the first Elliott wave. I'll color it in red. Okay, so this is the first Elliott wave from this level here, the first higher low after all the lower low. It was the first Elliott wave break out of the consolidation zone. The consolidation zone is the inverted head and shoulder in this case of the daily chart. Okay, so it went up big time. Okay, so and then we were waiting for the second wave. The second wave, like I showed you before, is this one here. I'll color it blue. Okay, and it was a special inverted head and shoulder because I was here that time. There was some bad news regarding Greece that time. That's why the euro did that because we were expecting the second wave to turn around straight away here. You see here, but the market went a little bit down because of the news regarding Greece during that time, and then it came back and displayed another inverted head and shoulder. I have to say that this is a very special second wave with inverted head and shoulder because of all the news. This is what I'm calling a market manipulation because right there, as the price pulled back nicely here, you see, people were ready to take it to the third wave straight away, but all the news came with all the blah 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 for many days, delaying people profit in this section here before they resume it right there. Okay, it was exactly on the 10th of September. I remember it was a Sunday. I was here when the price started gushing up. Okay, another thing I need to say to you right here: pay attention also to the celebration during that time. It was a Ramadan period. Most of the Muslims leave the market. You have to remember in the forex market there are many forex traders that are Muslim people. So when they are celebrating, pay attention carefully. And we knew that because of the Ramadan period, the market did not want to start the new trend straight away. And right there on the 10th of September, the Ramadan has finished. Okay, and they start a new trend uptrend straight away. So they were waiting for our friend Muslims, okay, in the Arab country to join us because there are huge amount being invested in forex from the Arab world, okay. So after the celebration, that's why all the delay, the blah blah blah. That's what I'm talking about. This was a clear manipulation in this zone, okay. It's a special second wave, okay. And then we have the third wave finally here, up to this level here, okay. The longest wave, okay. So because it's the longest wave, I put it my favorite color because that's what I like. The third wave, I prefer the third wave all the time. It's the easiest wave. Some people call it a wave of recognition because it's so easy to recognize it, okay. And most traders will take advantage of it, but this was a bit tricky one right here. It was not easy to trade in this zone where this great situation was. They mess up some of our trade here, okay, but finally we take it from here, okay. So right there, and then this was the third wave, okay. So after the third wave, we have the fourth wave, which is another funny one again. This is a special euro. This one, crazy currency pair, is now becoming worse than the USD yen. So then we have this right there. I was telling people that this is the fourth wave, and we were expecting the fifth wave right there to be terminating here. Look there, right there, okay. We were expecting. So we count this a fourth wave, thinking that this is the fifth wave right now. We sold it, price went down, only to be kicked up again by some traders, okay. So God knows what has happened here. So we count it like this. Now finally it has become clear. So this is it, okay. Fourth wave and the fifth wave, okay. What I will do, I'll call out the fourth wave in white, okay. So then I will leave this one brown like this, okay. So this is the all the five waves. So the first wave from here to here, okay. Second wave from this level here to here. What I will do, I will highlight them. So it began from this level here, terminate here, okay. And then the second one finish it here. Third one start from here and went all the way here. The longest wave. The third wave is the longest wave, and then the fourth wave here. A special one for you again with all the market manipulation again, all the blah blah blah, instead of doing things straightforward. So then they make it again another a double bottom, another special one for you. And this is from here to here, and the fifth wave was being completed here, okay. So I hope you are following what I'm talking about here. So we have the completion of the fifth wave right there. That's where we were selling. So we sold it big time in this one session here, okay. So we see that even on the 5 days chart during that time. I was drawing this a pitchfork tool for you, for those who are following us for some time now. We draw the pitchfork tool exactly there. We knew that the euro is now completely to the downside, okay. Now, and then we have, what do we have after the fifth wave? The ABC correction. So I'll draw the ABC correction for you. It's an excellent this pattern here is the A, okay, B, okay, and C. You understand now? So this is it. So I'll color the ABC again, okay, the ABC. I will choose this green for the A, okay. I'll leave this one brown, okay, and I'll color the other one again green again for you, okay. So this is our this one from here to here. That was the A. All this is from here to here is the A. From here to here is the B, and this from here to here is the C. A full Elliot wave cycle the market has drawn here. That's what I'm saying to you. If you cannot draw, okay, do not trade. Okay, by the way, now, so if you do not know how to draw, you can learn to draw. Alright, so don't give up. Learn to draw, okay? So don't give up, okay? Keep trying. So we have the full Elliot wave here. So this is first wave, okay, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, plus the ABC correction. So now everything is here. So we have the A, B, C correction. The full cycle is completed. That's why the euro must retrace back to the upside. There's a high probability. Now you understand why I was back in the whole week to look for opportunity to buy, okay. I think now you understand why I keep shouting we must buy the euro, okay. And because the daily chart stochastic was overbought, these people were delaying our profit. Now, what do we need to remember in all this blah 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 blah, okay? Because it's no point to talk too much. but to have the most important thing that we need to remember, how we can make some money out of this blah blah blah. The key point we need to remember is the psychological level here, that I will call again to my favorite color, the yellow color. So our warning line 13200. As you can see, 3 days the price came, touch it, went up. Here, touch it, went up. Today again, on the 10th, okay, Friday, that is gone now, okay. So because I'm doing this late in the night, that's why it's 11 now. So touch it again, went up, okay. So next week we're going to watch carefully 13200 zone, okay. There is a fight going on here. That's what I'm saying to you. It's a very tough zone. If you are trading around the psychological zone, it's the toughest place. You may use the scalping method, okay, which means using the second time of the second best time of the TSDW24 together with the first best time frame. So you see signal on the second best time frame, you switch to the first best time frame to confirm. So double triple green on the second best time frame, you go to the first best time frame to wait for another triple green. That's what you do, okay. So if the first best time frame does not confirm the second best time frame, you do not enter, because there is activity going on so fast. So you want to make sure that when you are about to enter the trade on the lower time frame, you receive also the same signal that you receive on a higher time frame. Because what usually happens, people receive a buy signal, okay, on a higher time frame and a buy, okay. But during that time, the lower time frame was telling people to sell. So when people are selling, the price will be going down when people are buying, and you are buying when people are selling on the lower time frame. So what you need to do, when you receive a buy signal on the higher time frame, you switch back now to the lower time frame and wait for another buy signal on the lower time frame, which means the lower time frame now going in harmony with the higher time frame, and you enter right there. And you are filled at the right time, and you see the price going exactly where you expect it to go, instead of seeing the price going down as soon as you enter it, because you are entering the trend in the lower time frame during a cycle that is going in the opposite direction to what you have seen on the higher time frame. And also, if you are day trading, this is so important. That's why I use the second best time frame and the first best time frame. So when I receive a signal to buy on the second best time frame of the TSDW24, I'm moving to the first best time frame, and I'm waiting for the same signal, okay, and then I will enter that in harmony. So the lower time frame is confirming the higher time frame, and everything starts moving nicely in the same direction. You do not want to come into the market when the lower time frame is going in the opposite direction to the higher time frame. You want it to come in the direction of the, because the higher time frame is commanding the lower time frame, but you need to wait for the lower time frame to come in the direction of the higher time frame, and then you join it down right there, okay. The smart trader, I know a lot of TSCW24 traders that are more experienced also, that are using those tricks where the market will the lower time frame will be doing something completely opposite to the higher time frame, and they will wait. As soon as the lower time frame try to redirect itself in a normal direction of the higher time frame, you join the wave, okay. That's what we call a harmonious trading, where you cream the market like a market specialist, okay. Just to check my time with you too quickly, okay. I'm doing perfectly okay. And as you can see, we have the fifth, all the wave here, okay. So this is about the Elliot wave theory: first wave, second wave, third wave, the longest wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, plus the ABC correction. ABC correction. I hope you enjoyed the video, that you put into practice in order to create the market consistently. We are the TSDW24 traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very, very happy. Thank you.